In our industry, really the earlier the better. So when you're looking out and you're seeing the entire scope of group business at any given property, it can be a very short-term planning time frame, or it can be much longer. Right? I honestly, it's probably that 60 to 90 day window is a great time to start looking and making sure that your summer events are planned. For groups that are a little bit smaller, you maybe have 20 or 15 people that are coming, you can find good pockets of availability. And I would say, the more you can be flexible with your dates on either arrival patterns or coming a week before or coming a week after, like your targeted dates, those will get you typically the best rates. Summer can be a tricky time, right? It's a lot of family vacations happen throughout the summer. You've got to plan on kids there. So that's one thing to think about. Like when you're planning your event, who is coming to the event? Is it just the people within your business? Are you planning this as a family retreat? Are spouses coming along? So when you're looking at that, you have to take all of these things into consideration. I would really try and focus on maybe July and August. You're going to find great availability, usually midweek. You're going to find usually better rates if you're coming midweek versus on weekends. But as we know, kids and travel sports and things like that can be difficult at times to try and plan those summer meetings. So my advice really is to get started early, talk to your people and see what their schedules look like, and then figure out who's coming to your event. That will help your hotel sales representative help you place this meeting in the right period of time. It varies widely per resort and hotel that you're going to. So some places are known as summer destinations. If you have a beach property or a lake property, those typically people want to be around water in the summer. You also look at places like in the Northeast, if you're in the mountains per se, off-peak times, June, July, August, you can escape the heat and get to one of these cooler weather destinations, and that makes it more attractive for your attendees. Really look at the destination that you're going to. If you are, again, going to a beach resort, or if you're going to a lake resort, you want to talk to your hotel and make sure that sales manager understands what you're trying to accomplish with your meeting. Is it more recreation based? Is it time for people to get together and share ideas and they're going to be in a meeting room? That'll help the hotel salesperson place you in the right month and hopefully the right time period. Also, another helpful tip for people is if you can do Sunday arrivals in the hotel world are gold. We're always looking to try and fill as many hotel rooms on a Sunday night and then get your meeting started Monday, Tuesday, and maybe departures on Wednesday. I think the weather in the summer months is fantastic up here in the New England area. We're warm. In June, you're probably highs in the 80s and you're not getting as much humidity as you would be in the South. There's plenty of activities to do. And especially in the Vermont area where I'm located, we do a lot of outdoor activities. So everything from mountain biking, hiking, there's Orvis fishing. The fly fishing is actually like world around the Equinox with our Battenkill River. There's the Orvis Shooting Academy that we do outside. Land Rover is always a very popular activity to drive around and be outside. So again, summer months, it's all about your experience and being outside. So we love our activities in the summer months. A fun one that a lot of our guests will request is axe throwing. So we do axe throwing on the weekends here, but that's also something that you can do private for your event. So having the axe throwing come midweek, it's easily done at the property.